Hey, what's up? How are you doing, guys? Welcome to Tech review. So today I want to show you the trick. If you know you have your earbuds, Airdots, and they cannot connect together, so this is a simple trick how you can reset them and they connect again together. So just remove them from your case, then at the same time you need to press these buttons, this one and this one. You have to press it together so that they can reset. So let's go. Just press them together at the same time. Sorry for that. Okay, yeah, you have to press them until they go off. Now they are off. Then again you press them like this. You see, keep holding the buttons, wait for another time. So just around 40 seconds you can release the buttons. So let us wait a little more longer so that they can reset where. Yeah, okay, now you can release. If you see the light, flashing light is not coming, you can just release them. Yeah, put them back in the case. When you put them back in the case, they will show you that they are charging. So immediately when you remove them, now they will connect together at the same time. Let's see. If they are not connected, one is flashing, but as you see, one is not flashing, then another one is flashing. Yes, so this is a simple way how you can. Let me show you. Yeah, guys, so this is the simple way how you can connect them. As you see, they have all connected together. Yeah, and when you switch them off, when they are connected together, they have to go off together at the same time. See, if you press one for long, you see, all of them will go off. Yeah, so that is the simple trick how you can rectify the issue of earbuds not connecting together at the same time. All right, thank you, guys.